All right, let's dive into the world of stock trading together. Are you a beginner feeling overwhelmed by the stock market? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people find it intimidating, but guess what? With the right knowledge and guidance, even beginners like you can excel in the world of stock trading. Welcome back to Smart Money Mentors. Today, I want to introduce you to our platform, dedicated to helping beginners navigate the complexities of the stock market. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Now let's address the common challenges that beginners face in stock trading. Understanding market dynamics and making informed decisions can be daunting tasks. But fear not, we're here to break it down for you. Let's explore the basics of stock trading together. We'll cover essential terminology, market analysis techniques, and crucial risk management strategies. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to kickstart your stock trading journey. First, let's talk about essential terminology. Stocks, shares of ownership in a company, bulls and bears. Bulls believe prices will go up while bears believe prices will go down. Volatility, the degree of variation in trading prices over time. Next, market analysis techniques. Technical analysis, using historical price charts and patterns to predict future movements. Fundamental analysis, evaluating a company's financial health and performance metrics. Finally, crucial risk management strategies, stop-loss orders, setting a predetermined price to sell a stock and limit losses. Diversification, spreading investments across various sectors to mitigate risk. Here comes the key moment. Developing a trading plan and sticking to it. This is crucial for your success. Remember, consistency is key. Your trading plan should include your financial goals, risk tolerance, and specific strategies for buying and selling stocks. In summary, education and practice are the pillars of becoming a successful stock trader. Always remember to keep learning, stay disciplined, and never stop honing your skills. The stock market is full of opportunities for those who are willing to put in the effort. Thanks for watching, and remember, the stock market is waiting for you to make your mark. Happy trading!